Good afternoon. My name is Maria Fernanda Suarez Gonzalez. This is my proposal for the lesson plan. The topic is the culture for third grade, the basic education. The objectives for this class are first, understand the basic components of culture. Second objective is explore their culture and the cultures of their classmates. This lesson plan has the learning strategy is based on the design of activities supported by technological tools and take-based learning and construction of concepts through experience, developing intercultural and civic skills. The expected results are that the student will be able to identify the characteristics and qualities of your culture and that of your peers. Likewise, the student will be able to characterize other cultures of the world, recognizing that cultural identity makes us different, for which each one is valuable and respectable. These lesson plans is formed by the different stages. First stage is where I am, then the previous knowledge, then the stage is developing activities, after practice activities, homework, and finally has a assessment. Okay, first in the warm-up activity consists in to watch the video of the song. The song is Hello. Then talk about what the children say about the song. In the activities previous, ask if all the children speak the same language. Explain to students that language is a characteristic of the culture that identifies us. Ask the student to pay attention to the video, dialogue about the observed in the video. This video is the stage in activity knowing or learning the topic with ask my student what is culture. The students builds the concept of the culture. Then the teacher explains that to a student the characteristics that define culture. After ask or question about the topic and socially identify the similarities and differences between them. The homework or activities, the practice activities is about the worksheet that consists creating a poster that explains relevant aspects of your culture in a creative way. And the assessment is evaluation constantly during the class, the participation, developing activities, collaborative tasks in the group. In conclusion, the lesson plans allows analysis of different cultures, speaking and listening groups, valuing and accepting difference. Also, it allows understand the basic structure of the local and foreign culture through group and individual activities that allow meaningful learning based on the relationship with our environment. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.